when she's not around, text me and I'll let you know what I know. Not appropriate messages or appropriate pictures.
Oh my God, you think they're having an affair?
Well, yeah, I think they're definitely seeing each other from the messages and the pictures that I saw. That's definitely not appropriate.
What the hell? You're kidding.
No, I'm not kidding. I don't know. I mean, I don't know if she's around or gonna hear you, but if you can text this number or write down my number, you can text me and I can text you some of the screenshots that I took off of his phone.
Yeah, for sure. Let's do that.
Okay, well, just, I guess, hang up. And if you wouldn't mind, delete this call out of her call log so she doesn't know that I called. And then when she's not around, text me and I'll let you know what I know.